If you're an income-oriented options trader, this tool that I built on projectoption.com makes it extremely easy to analyze cash-secured puts and covered calls in seconds. As an example, let's look at the Round Hill Memory ETF, which I think is a great candidate for cash-secured puts or the wheel strategy right now because the option premiums are so juicy and the ETF is in a bullish trend. Now, normally to analyze a cash-secured put, you just have to go through all the expirations, look at the premiums you can sell, and also do some calculations on the yield potential for each strike price and expiration. But if I click Put Analyzer, this instantly analyzes the key metrics of all the cash-secured puts I can sell in the selected expiration. We have the strike price, how far out of the money the strike price is, the premium I'm collecting, the yield potential, which is simply the premium divided by the strike price, the annualized yield, which just takes the yield and annualizes it for better comparison across different expirations and strike prices. Then we have the max profit and max loss, the probability of profit, and how far the stock price can drop before reaching the break even. I can change the expiration to analyze a different set of put options, or I can compare multiple expirations by simply selecting the expirations I want to sell put options in and hitting Analyze. Then I can hit Filters and filter by percentage out of the money. I can filter by open interest, and maybe let's put annualized yield over 30%. Then this leaves me with all of the expirations and strike prices that meet the filters that I've set. I could sort by buffer, which shows me how far the stock price can fall before hitting my break even. I could look at this 50 strike put option in August 2026 with 53 days to go. This option is trading for $229, offering a 4.6% yield over 53 days. And when annualized, that comes out to 31.5%. And the stock price can fall 33% before hitting the break-even price of this put option. And this trade requires $5,000 to cash secure this put. I can left click on this put option. I could say that I have $25,000 in capital, and then it tells me exactly how many contracts I can sell, the premium that I'm collecting, and how much capital I need to secure the shares. I can then click Simulate Trade, and if I go back to the P&L chart, this visualizes this cash secured put position for me. We can see I have a max profit zone that extends way below the stock price. The stock price can fall 30% to $50 per share, and I will still make the max profit in 53 days. But before then, if the stock price goes down, I stand to have unrealized losses. If you have any questions about this platform, please join the free Discord community linked below. If you want a full tutorial on this options analysis platform, check out this in-depth tutorial where I walk through all of the current features.